from Gatlinburg, we decided to take a detour to Cleveland, Tennessee. If you grew up in the Church of God or the Church of God of Prophecy, you're familiar with Cleveland, Tennessee. For many years, the Church of God of Prophecy held annual General Assemblies at their Tabernacle located in Cleveland. My family, as well as Jeff's, was very involved in the church, and Jeff, being a pastor's kid, didn't miss the General Assembly. I have to say, in our youth, we looked forward to it each year. We enjoyed it, but maybe not the same as our parents. For us, it was a chance to see family and friends from around the United States. The assembly was our vacation each year. While other kids were going to Disney, we were going to the assembly. We are not sure when the last year was we attended. It would have to be in the late 80s. Jeff's father had passed away, and we had moved. It was sad when we heard they had demolished the building. I guess we thought it would always be there if we wanted to rekindle those memories. We were glad to see the White Wing Publishing House was still operating as a gift shop.
And then the parking lot came all the way down here, so the Tabernacle would have been right in here somewhere. Well, this would have been parking lot.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left on North Oakland Street.
Yeah, probably right up here somewhere.
Turn right, then turn right. Turn right,
Yeah,
then turn right.
because there's the power lines. We've parked back there. And then the building would have been probably about where this building is, or...
We'll turn that way.
Well, I don't know this. Hang on.
Which way will take us to the publishers?
Shit back here.
Turn left, then turn left.
Yeah.
Turn left, then turn right. Turn left, then turn
Yeah, this
right.
is that back road.
Oh, yeah.
Now, there's the publishing house. That'd go up there where you get your snacks.
Then turn right.
So the building, we're probably driving through the building right here.
Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. In 600 feet. Turn right on Keith Street Northwest.
Yeah, so... they still got the recording studio. That's what this is right here.
In 1.3 miles.
Yeah.
Turn right on 25th Street Northwest.
Cars, 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 cars.
Cars.
I can't see. Cars,
Okay,
cars,
now I see it's
lots
car,
of
car,
cars.
car.
On Keith Street Northwest.
Still cars, 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 cars. After the truck, looks like you may be able to. If that one over there will go on go.
Yeah. Yeah, so this was the drive down
Turn
here.
left on Keith Street Northwest.
Yeah.
In 600 feet.
So that was the recording
U-turn.
studio.
Yeah, you have to walk down the hill, and so
Yeah.
where this is where the Tabernacle would have been.
Yeah, so it was sitting right in there. On the Church of God of Prophecy General Headquarters.
Oh, is this still their headquarters?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, times change. All these flags. I said, times change. Look at this Papa Bear grill. I like that. Look at all this. We need all this.
On fishing.
We need this whole little thing in our upcoming gift shop. Oh, and all these little lights right here too. I like all them. I like how they did this little
Nooks.
the little nooks. Oh, these Bible covers.
That one. This one's even bigger. That one. We brought that Taylor.
Mm-hmm. Well, they got some Bibles now. Certificates. Bible magnifiers. Oh. Esther.
Thompson Chain.
Mm-hmm.
The snakes thing up there.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I like that. Spiritual worship. Books. Reference. Baby dedication certificates. All kinds of certificates. Look at there. Look at there. Communion cup. I guess they're already pre-filled.
Yeah, it has the drink and the wafer.
Wafer. Well, check that out. Shoot, the little churches I went to, 250 last 5 years. Oh, look, there's a blue hymnal.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and there it is on CD.
Oh, that's pretty neat. How much is that?
Oh, no, it don't have all the songs. It only has.
$15.
There's some offering plates. Look there. Never thought we could start a custom offering plate business. Pilgrim's Progress. Oh, kids' books.
This looks like more songs on it.
How high
I've
is?
heard of I Must Tell Jesus or Faith and Rest.
Oh, Christmas kids. All little kids' books.
Had, We Shall See the King.
Yep, page 300.
I'll Fly Away.
I don't know the page number. Well, they got some unreligious things up in here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Auburn. Children's books. Kids' clothes. I'm awesome. Little lights.
Baby's gotten past this.
Yeah.
He's more into it.
Superheroes. I like that picture up there. Looks like it's metal. This is CDs, or DVDs actually, DVDs. Pictionary. They need to sell games for kids to play in church. Because that's what we did. Yeah, we played tic-tac-toe and connect the dots. Spent half the service making the dots. Yeah, we spent half our service making the dots and the rest of the other half connecting the dots. The Diary of A.J. Thomason.
stress putty. Now I done.
You done stressed it.
And now
Well,
it was already out.
oh. Elwood Matthews, a man on a mission. Turning point that changed everything. Oh, look there. Tennessee and Alabama stuff together. Look at there. We coexist. And dogs. Say grace. Choose joy. Say cheese. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy tea. Made with love. You know, money won't buy you happiness, but it's a lot easier to cry in the leather seats of a Mercedes than on a bicycle seat. Oh, I was just rambling. Love, laughter, and a whole lot of coffee.
It's a lunchbox.
Oh, wow. Huh, or a little cheese box or lunchbox. Look at there. Women, men, marriage, and family. Cards of encouragement. Okay. Pat Robertson. Cards. More Bibles. Gift cards. Cups. All kinds of cups. Stop burning candles. Hmm. Pastor and wife. I just looked at video down at the top says stop burning candles. Graduation. Show of faith. All right. Oh, look at these handles. What are those? Oh, little cardinals. Look at these coffee cups. That's different.
Yeah.
Not saying it's a good thing. It's just different. There's not saying it's bad.
And warm hearts.
Beautiful.
And they used to do that.
Bless. Mama, baby. What is in here? Pig out.
What's this?
I don't know. Oh, here. Look at
That's
that.
a cool one too. Oh, I like this one too. Look.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's a good little idea.
It is, and that's more instead of
Yeah.
Advent calendar. Oh, I like this too.
Oh, does little candles go behind this? Yes, they
I
do.
like that. That's so
Look,
cute.
little candles go behind that. We can make that with those other things we do.
Oh yeah.
Just all kinds of little ideals. Oh, it's miniature snow globes. Miniature snow globes. All right. And we'd come here every year. This was our vacation. We came here to go to the assembly for 5 days. And back then we thought it was the biggest thing on earth.
It was in our world.
And it was in our world because that's what our world revolved around. My dad was a minister, and Kelly's family, all of them were ministers. And so, yeah, it was our life. We lived it, breathed it. And we'd come here on vacation. And it was down there, and that's the, that right there is the recording studio, and then that's where they printed the church's literature and still print literature. So yeah, big change, big change. All right, memory laning. Memory laning. Yeah, but that's the Church of God Prophecy. It and the Church of God split off many years ago. The Thomasons. So, there you go.
Well, I may give out, but I won't give up.